Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education. I hope you all are doing well. If you have reviewed the previous video, you must have seen the photographs which we are drawing in the Tux Paint. Now what about predefined photographs? So for that, please stay tuned with this video. Before we get into this video, I would request you to subscribe our channel Nirja Education and press the bell icon for the notifications. As you can see on the screen, a beautiful picture of turtle that we are going to make in this video in Tux Paint. So let's get into that. First, we will go for the new button. We will click on that. As you can see, so many colorful backgrounds are there. If you go down, you will find other backgrounds as well. From that, I am going to select the turtle wala background. So double click on that. Then from the magic tool, I will select the fill magic tool and I will select the green color and fill it. As you can see, the color is spread in entire the photograph. So what we will do, first we will go for the white color and we will paste over here, so it will come back as it is. Then we will get the paint tool and the smallest brush with the black color. And we will fill the areas wherever space is there, so that whenever you are filling the color, it won't go outside the area. Okay, so in turtle also few gaps are there which we are going to fill. Do it very carefully, otherwise you may damage the photograph. Okay, now from the magic tool I will select the fill color and the green color, which I am going to place over here. Okay, again more space is there, so I will paint tool, smaller brush and black color. Again I will fill it with the line. Then magic tool, fill color, green color. Done. Then the lighter green color. Whichever left part over is there, you can fill it with the lighter green color. And the smaller part which is not visible properly, for that we are going to use the paint brush and the medium size of brush. We will fill like this. This way you can modify the picture as well. Okay, then again magic tool, fill color, green color, that we will paste over here. Can you hear this beautiful sound of filling the colors? Then this sand color, which we are not having in the predefined colors, so that we will get into the more colors. From this I am going to select this color for the sand over here. But as you can see that gap is there, so I am going to fill that gap with the paint brush, smaller brush and the black color. Then for the mountains, I am going to select the brown color. So magic tool, fill color and the brown color, the proper brown color, I am going to get it from the more colors, this one. Paste it over here, then here, here. Then, okay, as you can see, one more gap is there that we will fill. So we'll get back to the paint tool and we'll take the brush, and with the help of black color brush we will fill the details. Okay, then get back to the fill color and fill it. Then the blue color, which is of the sky color, then you know that what you have to do, you have to save the photograph. This was about your predefined photographs. I hope you liked the video. If you have liked it, please press the like button. Stay tuned for the more videos. Till then, keep learning with the Nirja Education.